How to disable contact sync in Gmail. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail and then click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage Accounts on this device. And here you need to click on the account that you want to stop the contact syncing from. Say for example this one. Then click on sync account, and as you can see the account syncing is turned on. So all what you need to do in order to turn it off is click on the toggle next to it, and as you can see the contact syncing has been turned off. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off the contact syncing on Gmail. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.